Good morning, dear children. We are doing revision at present, right? Do you all preparing well for your exams? I hope so. Okay. All of you open your worksheets, children. Open chapter 3, The Earth and its Neighbor. We are going to do revision in our third chapter, The Earth and its Neighbor, and we have done revision in two chapters, right? Earth, our home, and looking at the earth. We have completed these two chapters revision, and in today's class we are going to do the revision in third chapter. Okay, earth and its neighbors. See, meanings. First one is solar system. Solar system means some and all the smaller objects. Some and all the smaller objects. Objects means a material thing that can be seen and touched, which can be seen, a material which can be seen and which can be touched, we call it as an object. Okay, next one is planet. Planet means a large object. Next one is orbit. Orbit means a part in which planets move around the sun. A part in which planets move around the sun, we call it as orbit. Next one is hottest. Hottest means having high degree of heat or high temperature. Having high degree of heat or temperature, we call it hottest. Bright, giving out or reflecting much light or shining. Giving out or reflecting much light or shining. Next one is consists, means made up of. Consists means made up of. Next one is asteroid. Asteroid is a piece of rocks and materials in solar system. Next one is satellite. A body that moves around the planets is called satellite. Okay. Next one is comet. Mass of ice and rocky particles are called comets. These are the meanings. Now come to fill in the blanks. See the first one. Planets have no dash of their own. Planets have no light of their own. Planets revolve around the dash. Planets revolve around the sun. The dash is the earth nearest neighbor. The moon is the earth nearest neighbor. Earth planet supports life. Dash planet supports life means earth planet supports life. Okay. The dash is the center of the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. Next one is dash is the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. These are the fill in the blanks. Now come to choose the correct answer. First one. Which of these is Earth's natural satellite? A. Comet. B. Moon. C. Sun. D. Asteroid. Which of these is Earth's natural satellite? Moon is Earth's natural satellite. So option B is the correct one. Next. The Earth is the dash planet from Sun. The Earth is the third planet from Sun. So option C is the correct one. Third. Planets revolve around the dash. So planets revolve around the sun. So option A is the correct one. Fourth one. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Mercury is closest to the sun. Fifth one. Dash planets are in solar system. There are 8 planets in solar system. These are the choose the correct answers. Okay children. Now see, match the following. The Earth is the third planet from Sun. Comets. Comets are Mars' office. Moon. The moon. The moon is the Earth natural satellite. The sun is a bright star. Asteroids place of rocks and metals. So these are the match the following. So we do the continuation revision part in the next class, children. So we have completed our chapter 1 revision, chapter 2 revision, and chapter 3 till match the following. I want you to prepare well for your exams. Not only from worksheets, you have to prepare well from your textbooks even. Okay, see your textbooks, read all the, choose the correct answers, fill in the blanks, all and question and answers from your textbooks even. Okay, bye children, prepare well for your exams. Thank you.